This is how you shave with Bela straight razor. This is how you grip the Bela straight razor. Like, baby, this is how you grip any straight razor, but this is particularly useful, and there is enough finger rest at the end. Absolute control I have over it is pretty useful, because nothing gives the contours as good as a straight razor, to be frank with you. Now I'll do the left hand move a little bit. And with the big portion of the business, I just go ahead and correct the edges. And as you can see, the left side is also handled properly. Cleaning that part with the straight razor too. Let me just clean it. Gorgeously smooth this shave is.